You're right guys, midday here, so I'm outside the boat at the moment on the estuary where it's moored. So I was brought to the attention that boats have plugs. I'm not actually sure why they have plugs, but like I've got a theory this might be how water's getting into the boat. Also the bilge pump's not working, which is what these holes are, so I'm wondering if I should block them up as well. I bought some plugs on Amazon. I was expecting them to be a bit bigger, but we'll see how it goes. Well, that fits in quite snug. I'm gonna have to use my hammer God, it's like playing whack-a-mole. I'm wondering if I should block the little holes up as well. Just, you know, if the bilge pump isn't working, then water will go in those holes. And I just want the boat to be dry at this point. Oh, too big. Too small. Snug. Now, let me fetch the hammer. And now the one on the other side. Grab the hammer. Perfect.